This is my newest painting. I just sort of had fun with it. Undersea creatures. There's little starfish and anemones. There's some seahorses. There's one there and there's one sort of hidden in there. Look, they're looking at each other. And there's a mermaid tail. So I just kind of had fun. It was just a fun painting to do. And it will be going in my art gallery. Yeah. So just have to sign it and it's all done. And I find a place to put it. We'll be coming in here and let's see, I'll turn the light on. Yeah. Cool. New addition to the art gallery. Yeah, the little seahorse painting. And this is the inside of the gallery. And I have all sizes of paintings. I love to do commission work as well. And I do paintings from Hawaii. Down there is a triptych I'm working on. It's almost done. And I do old skateboards. Magical place. I can hear Joe working. He's making some tikis out on our deck. And this is Gallery 59. We have palms, seedlings, art, tikis, cards, etchings. Welcome. Here we go. We're going to go in and close the gate. I have these beautiful gardens. So this is Gallery 59 and I'm on the studio tour. Hopefully I'll do it every year, but even if I'm not, I will have the studio open, and we also have people come here to buy palm trees, little palms for now. And yeah, I'm just setting up a stand here up above, separate from the nursery for the palms. And we sell them in 1-gallon pots. We are going to be growing 5-gallon ones down the road. They're in the nursery now. So if you come to visit us, you'll see these beautiful, see a bit of our garden, and see the gallery. So I just thought it'd be nice. It's early morning. It is the long weekend. And I'm not open yet, but just getting ready to put my sign out to open. So we have tikis here by Joe. All different sizes, prices, driftwood, all different types of wood. And over in behind there also we do have a tiki hut with more tikis. So you come into our little, it's hard to see with the sunlight I guess hitting, so it's a palm tree. This is a tiki pole that Joe and I are both worked on for the Sailor Sea Orcas. So it will be going into a show next week. I'm trying to see, put a beautiful, there's a white raven on it. I can't really see. And I've set up my paintings out in the courtyard. And little display, we have soaps, bundled cards. We have 2 different books, a tiki book Joe did, and also our garden book. Lots of tikis made out of different woods, mostly arbutus, and they're quite lovely. Pineapples, so they range from 15 to 25, and then they go up for bigger, but starting at about 15. And of course, if you buy more, you get a better deal. Smallest art gallery on Salt Spring, that's what we called it. And I put my paintings outside. Nice days, it's just beautiful. Dragonflies I love to do. These are some that I'm actually working on right now. So I'll be outside painting today. I love painting outdoors. beautiful arbutus paintings, which I love to do. It's probably my favorite type of painting to do. And I've actually put some arbutus wood there. And yeah, there's some totem poles I love. And yeah, I kind of do all kinds of art. This is our very own Joni Mitchell. Sort of a mixed media that I did called Joni's Cloak. And oh, Dremelled me I drew a dragonfly on there. Gift ideas. And yeah, lots of cards there. So there's something for everyone, really. And decals. We have the Gulf Island Eagle. It's got the islands on it. And then we've got the Aloha that sticker. And I do etchings as well. These are my etchings. I do of different little insects, mostly northwest coast creatures. And yeah, and I do magnets. So our prices go from $5 and they go up. So something for everyone, even for kids. Kids like to buy the tikis, the little tikis, for a magnet. Anyway, come visit our beautiful gallery on the north end of Salt Spring Island, 2470 North End Road. And we are in the studio tour, and you can watch for the sign out on the road or check the studio tour map. And we are number 16 in it, and I'm called Gallery 59. And it's Wendy and Banana Joe. And we also take credit cards. Anyway, aloha.